two Indian openers, Manoj Prabhakar and Sachin Tendulkar, going out to do the job that's pretty much cut and dry for them now. 230 for 7 was what Sri Lanka made in their 50 overs. India have only 49 overs in which to make them. So here's Vas, first ball coming up for Sri Lanka. It's a good ball, cramping Prabhakar for space, but they've gone through for the run, they've made it. Vas to Tendulkar, it's a good ball, it just skidded through, I thought. Well, that's cracked off the back foot, that's going to carry for 4. Oh dear, that would have been the catch of the tournament, catch of the year maybe, the most sensational catch. But agony for Ranatunga. He's done 90% of the job. He's soared through the sky, totally belying his figure and physique.
Well, at last he finds the boundary in this over. Tendulkar, on the other hand, is in prime health. Did it carry? Yes, not waiting for consultation with the square leg umpire. Prabhakar goes, caught by Kalawatana off the bowling of Vas. The ball just carrying to the wicketkeeper. One batsman back in the pavilion. There we are. Navjot Sidhu, 31-year-old, an often unsung hero. That's why. A lovely start. And Ramanayake to continue. Yeah, he's gone. Good running catch. So Tendulkar's marvellous little innings comes to a close.
In India have lost their second wicket, 58 for 2.
The new batsman is the captain. India 63 for 2. That's another fine shot from Sidhu, 4 more. So with a minimum of effort, he picks up a useful quota from that over. Well, I no sooner give his score than he strokes another boundary. Really being prolific in that area, through the covers.
Oh, that's a beauty. Probably will get the single. That's 50 to Sidhu. Well played, Navjot Sidhu. Unassuming innings. Been in the background. But he's picked up the ones and twos. It's been a very, very valuable innings. 50 from 70 balls.
Having said that...
Well, Cyril Mishley doesn't know whether it carried for 4 or 6. I certainly couldn't see it was right down below us. Well, there's no doubt about that. That is the 50. Third wicket partnership of 100 in 121 deliveries.
Good shot.
Oh, that's coming our way. Absolutely straight.
Well, a well-flattered delivery. Azharuddin using his feet and got underneath the ball, straight as a die into the grandstand.
Arjuna Ranatunga, the Sri Lankan captain. Runs coming from everywhere now.
Just a bit of yes and no. Sidhu would have to hurry, and the throw was not made. In fact, he'll get overthrows. On your day, just about everything you do fetches runs. 153 runs, the partnership now, from 166 balls, but Sunil, that last ball again.
Well, Navjot thinks Sidhu would have been stranded. They would have been run out by almost half the length of the pitch. He actually didn't even make much of an effort to get back.
Here's Ramanayake. Azhar is down the wicket, it's back past the bowler, that's 4 and India won the Asia Cup.